Alright, so target 1C, this is a retake review, so we have to plot these points, negative 6, 1. So negative 6, 1. Let me get a pen. So negative 6, 1 is this point right here. And 0, 6 is this point here. Should label this. This is B, and here's A. And then C is 9, 1. Oh, that's 8, sorry. 9, 1. So C, and then I'm going to draw the triangle. Okay. And that first question is, what type of polygon do the points form? And this is a triangle. And then for problem number 2, we have to calculate the perimeter and the area. So remember, the perimeter is, I'm going to straighten this side out a little if I can. Whoops, let me try that again. That didn't make it any better. I should just left it alone. This is definitely not any better. Alright, let's try that point. That's a little bit better, I guess. Okay, well, anyway, there's our triangle, UVC. Okay, so remember, the perimeter is the distance around. So to do that, I have to find the length of all the sides. So one side is easy to find the length of. That's this horizontal side right here. You can only count the length of vertical or horizontal sides. You can't count the length of a diagonal side. So I know that AC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 15. So I know one of the sides is 15, but I can't count these other two sides. So to find the length of the other two sides, I have to do the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to, or the distance formula. So I'm going to do the Pythagorean theorem, and I'm going to go ahead and make a right triangle. So from A to B, I have to go up, and I have to go over. So it looks like I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let me write that down. Okay, bye. So this is 5, and this is 6. And this is the hypotenuse. We'll go ahead and call it x, and we can do the Pythagorean theorem. And remember, that's leg squared plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So my legs are 5 squared and 6 squared, and that equals x squared. So that's 25 and 36. And then 25 plus 36 is getting my calculator ready, sorry. Uh, 61. So x squared is 61. And then I'm going to square root it. And the square root of 61 is 7.8. So I get 7.8. So I know that this length right there is 7.8. Okay, now I have to do the other side. And for this, to get from B to C, I'm going to go over and down. And it looks like I'm going to go over 5. Sorry, down, up or down 5. So this is 5. And I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And here's the right angle, and this time we'll call it y. We're going to do the Pythagorean theorem again. I'm going to do it right over here where I have a little more room. So I'm going to say the sides are, the legs are 9 and 5, so 9 squared plus 5 squared equals y squared. So that's 81 plus 25. And 81 plus 25 is 106. No. Wait, I believe it's 81 plus 25. Yeah, 106. So y squared is 106. And then I'm going to take the square root. And the square root of 106 is 10.3. So y is 10.3. So now I can find the perimeter. So I add up the sides. So this side right here, that was 7.8. So the perimeter is 7.8 plus 15 for side AC. And then the side I just found was 10.3. So 7.8 plus 15 plus 10.3. And I get 33.1. So my perimeter is 33.1 units. Now for the area, I need the base and the height. So this right here is the base, and we already found it. It's 15. And the height is this right here. And it's the same as this and this, which was 5. So the formula for the area of a triangle is, remember, base times height divided by 2. So my base was 15, my height was 5, and I divide by 2. And I get 75 halves. And I could leave my answer like that, or I can divide it out, and I get 37.5. And that would be units squared. Okay, so that's it for that. Okay, so you need to solve these problems. I would write them out on a piece of graph paper and then show them to a teacher and have them checked off and get the form signed by your teacher. Okay, thanks.